Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I am Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, friends. How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. And you, Paul?
I'm good too, thank you.
Today, we will talk about parks, trees, and animals in English.
Yes, this is a very useful topic. You can use it when you go outside.
Let's start with parks.
A park is a place with trees, grass, and sometimes animals.
For example, I go to the park in the morning.
Or, I like walking in the park.
You can ask your friends, do you like parks?
Let's repeat. Do you like parks?
Yes, I like parks.
No, I do not like parks.
Now, let's talk about trees.
Trees are tall plants with leaves and branches.
For example, there's a big tree in the park.
Or, I sit under a tree.
You can also ask, do you like trees?
Repeat slowly. Do you like trees?
Yes, I like trees.
No, I do not like trees.
Next, let's talk about animals.
Animals are living things. Some live in the park.
For example, I see a dog in the park.
Or, I see birds in the trees.
You can ask, do you like animals?
Repeat slowly. Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals.
No, I do not like animals.
Here's a short story. Yesterday, I went to the park.
What did you see?
I saw a dog, two birds, and a big tree. It was very nice.
Good. You can say, I saw animals and trees in the park. Let's repeat the important words.
Park, tree, animal, dog, bird, see, like, go, sit.
And important verbs, like, go, see, sit.
Use them in your sentences every day.
Friends, try to write one sentence about a park, tree, or animal.
Yes, write it in the comments. We want to read your sentences.
Thank you for listening to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us.
Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share.
And here's your practice question.
Say this sentence. I see a blank in the park. Fill the blank with any animal or tree.
Great. See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends.
Bye.